guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a DIY project with just a very basic AirPod case, and we're going to kind of jazz it up and just kind of create our own little vibe going on with it. But I just want to tell you guys ahead of time, this case in general, this purple case, this is free. I'm actually doing a giveaway with it, and all of the stickers that are involved is also free as well. The only thing that's not free is the AirPod case itself. This case is made of high-grade silicone to ensure a flexible and comfortable feel. You don't have to worry about dropping your AirPods. It has a 360 degrees full protection along with 3mm extra thick silicone that effectively absorbs shock when it is dropped. So if you're interested in winning this case, I'm going to leave all the links down below on where to find this case and how to enter my contest to actually win a free case, which will be this one. And you'll also get the stickers and everything that goes along with the case except the AirPods case itself. So I have to keep that one for myself. So leave a comment down below and tell me what kind of stickers you like better, the unicorn stickers or the actual kind of ice cream and latte stickers. I'm very interested in hearing what you guys like the most. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little video. If you like stuff like this and you want me to do more of it, just let me know and I will talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching.